They swim up. Oh, he's come back in.
He's hiding.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to be on YouTube anymore.
Anymore,
baby?
Oh, we've got two guinea pigs out now.
Can I film them? Any rabbits?
No rabbits.
Roger the rabbit? We're going to get told not to film. I better not film.